Delphi, which was the wire and that I'm using right now, and that glass that I opened. I also got the things that I ordered on Amazon, which were solder, because I'm very close to finishing my first entire 1 pound roll of solder. And I ordered some nightlight kits, as people were talking about on stream, I don't know, a couple streams ago. So I got some to see what I can hopefully do with them. That'll be cool. I think and hope. Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, it is sort of freehand. Oh, I'm glad it's fun to watch. Good, good, good. I don't know. I feel like I want to melt this lower. Or maybe I want to leave it right where it is because it doesn't want to come off. Yeah, we love it just like that. Skip over here a little bit. Am I lying? Maybe lying. I think I'm lying.